Hello and welcome back to App Hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your audio unavailable issue on Instagram Reels. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Now, go to your profile to view the reels where you cannot find the audio. After that, tap on the reels. Now, as you can see, my reels is showing up and my audio is working. However, in some cases, it shows that audio unavailable and the music just gets muted. For reasons like that, you can simply go ahead and check if you have an Instagram update available, in which you can simply tap on the three dotted icon, and under the edit option, you'll see replace audio option show up, where you can simply select an audio with which you'd like to replace the current unavailable audio with. However, since I do not have that update available on my Play Store, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot where the audio is unavailable. After that, go back to your profile. On the top right corner, you can see the three-barred menu. Tap on it, tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see the help section. Tap on help section, tap on report a problem. Make sure that shake phone to report a problem is turned off. After that, continue with report a problem. Tap on include and continue. Now there's already an image selected. You're going to deselect this image and tap on upload. Select the image where your audio unavailable shows up. After that, explain how it shows that your audio is unavailable and your reels is muted. After you've described the issue, you simply tap on send and Instagram will get back to you after a certain period of time. The next thing you can do is to delete your post and re-upload it with an audio that is actually available. Make sure that this audio source is from someone official and not someone who reposts audio on Instagram. To delete your post, you simply tap on the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your post, and then at the bottom of your screen you can see the delete option. You tap on it, confirm that you want to delete the reel, and now go ahead and re-upload the reel with an official audio source, and then this issue will not appear anymore. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.